Good evening everyone. My name is Arnav Praveen Sirsaga. Today I give a short presentation on idioms. Get start. Our first idioms is it not my cup of tea. माझ्या आवडीचं नाही. I give one example on me only. I do not like to sing a song. Then I say it not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. Yes, tell the example on.
Badminton is not my cup of tea.
Okay, tell Sonia Didi.
Singing is not my cup of tea.
Okay, tell you.
Dancing is not my cup of tea.
Okay, then we are move on our second idioms. That it's not rocket science. ही काही फार कठीण गोष्ट नाही. On this picture, I see a man has tying his shoelace, but he do not tie his shoelace. Then his father tell it not a rocket science. मतलब ही काही फार कठीण गोष्ट नाही. Tell you on example.
Sitting is not rocket science.
Okay, tell.
Cricket is not rocket science.
Tell.
Cricket is not.
Okay.
Study it's not rocket science.
Okay, then
Painting is not rocket science.
we move on next. Adding fuel to the fire means आगीत तेल ओतणे. One example on his on road the two men are fighting. Then one boy going and telling him to saying हे असं असं करते तसं तसं करते असं सांगू राहिलं. मग इट्स मीन आगीत तेल ओतणे. Okay. Our next idiom is a blessing in disguise. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला वाईट वाटणारी गोष्ट पण नंतर चांगले काही घडणारी घटना. Example is a lady having one get a job but his salary is very less, only 20,000. Then he so upset, but on next day he get 50,000 salary. Then he take a blessing in disguise. A next idiom is the tip of the ice box. म्हणजे फक्त वरच दिसणं. The example of Titanic ship only. The captain of Titanic ship is see the ice mountain. He only say it's so small, but the ship is cracked. Then the ice mountain is so big, the ship is fall. That's the explain is the tip of the icebergs. We should go in the next idiom is making a mountain out of a molehill. म्हणजे लहान गोष्टीचं मोठे करणे. One day we saw I only slap one boy and he tell her parents I slap only joking, but he tell her parents he beat so fast. His parents complaint my parents. That's it mean लहान make a mountain out of a molehill. म्हणजे लहान गोष्टीचे मोठे करणे. So thank you for listening me. Have a good day.